In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort emails by date in Outlook, so you can quickly find the messages you need without wasting time scrolling through your inbox. Whether you're dealing with a busy work mailbox or just trying to keep your personal emails organized, sorting by date makes a huge difference. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your inbox and stay productive. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Outlook and software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Outlook and go to the mailbox or folder where you want to sort your emails. This can be your inbox, sent items, or any custom folder you use. Once you're inside the folder, look at the top of the email list. Right above your messages, you'll see a small filter or sort icon that looks like a down arrow. This icon controls how your emails are displayed. Click on that down arrow to open the sorting options. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Date. Selecting Date tells Outlook that you want your emails organized based on when they were received or sent. As soon as you click on Date, Outlook will instantly rearrange your emails. You don't need to save anything or refresh the page. The changes happen immediately. Now, this is where you can customize things even further. After sorting by date, you can choose how you want those emails ordered. If you want to see the most recent emails first, select Newest on top. This is the most popular option and is perfect if you want to stay on top of new messages as they arrive. On the other hand, if you're reviewing older conversations or cleaning up your inbox, you can choose Oldest on top to bring the earliest emails to the top of the list. Once you select either Newest on top or Oldest on top, Outlook will instantly update your mailbox view. There's no confirmation button required, and you can switch between these options anytime depending on your workflow. This makes it extremely easy to adjust your inbox view based on what you're working on at the moment. And that's really all there is to it. By sorting your emails by date in Outlook, you can stay organized, find messages faster, and reduce inbox stress. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Outlook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.